Now only a little is remaining. Eat it.
I don't want this. I don't like this, Aunt.
Please don't trouble me. Come on. Eat it quickly.
No, I don't like this dish.
But you used to like this dish a lot before, right? What happened today?
Do you want to eat something else today?
No, I don't want anything. I want my mom.
I am here, right?
I need mom right now or else I will call her.
No. She will be at work right now. Right? Eat fast. Come on. Let's finish it.
I have to complete my school project and show tomorrow.
You tell me what is the project, okay? I will help you make such a project that you will top the class, okay?
No, I want to do the project with mom. I will call her.
Let her call.
Oh, look there. Her mother's here.
Oh, she's here.
What is going on?
Look, Neha. She's not listening to me today. She's not even eaten anything.
What is Aunt saying?
She's not complaining. The thing is that even her tolerance level has become less. Pari is not at fault in this.
What? Why are you blaming my tolerance level? Am I her enemy now?
You just take her, Neha. The thing is that she is very bored.
Nowadays, you are so busy at the office.
So what will she do here? She gets bored.
Yes. And Neha, kids need their mother or father during the night.
Mom, let's go home.
Come, dear.
What is it? Did anyone say anything to you? Why is your face like that?
Mom, please come fast.
Aunt, there is nothing. I will talk to you tomorrow.
Bye. Okay.
I will leave now. See you.
She didn't say anything. Did Yash and she spoke to each other?
Wait, I will ask and come back.
Wait.
What?
Have some patience. Even if she has spoken still, how will she say right away? I will speak to her in the morning.
Okay.
Pari, come, dear. Collect everything fast. We have to eat, right? Come. What is this, Pari? Come on, tell me first. What did you do today?
Nothing.
Nothing? How was school?
I did attend school.
You went to school, right? Then what's nothing? Pari. Come.
Mom, today something funny happened while our school was on. The mother of one of my school friend was being shouted a lot by his mother. Her microphone was on and everyone was hearing. I felt like laughing a lot.
Is it? Then did the teacher shout at him?
His mother shouted at him. Then his dad also come.
Then even he shouted on him.
No, listen to me. Later, her mother got angry on her dad. We all laughed. That's why I felt like laughing a lot.
You did this only or you studied at school too?
Mom, today we have been told to do a school project.
What project?
I need a cardboard paper and we should put one more cardboard paper on that. And we have to make a nice house on that. We have to name it too. And there will be a nice garden and fountain too in the front of it. And there will be a small trees in front of it.
Oh goodness, such a big project.
Tell me then,
What?
when should we start the project?
We will do in the morning.
No, we have to do it now.
Pari, let's do it tomorrow, dear. I have too much work. I have to cook food. I have to clean the house. I have to prepare for tomorrow.
Mom, you had only said
Yes,
right
dear.
that the project is big.
Dear, how can we do it now? Like it is a school project for you. Similarly, my work is also a project for me. So first let's complete that, then we will do your project.
Hello, friend.
Pari, where's mom?
Are you fine? Is there any issue?
Oh, me? No. But why do you ask that?
After I said hi, you did not respond. You asked me how I am always, but today you didn't ask.
I'm sorry. Sorry, dear. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. All right. Where's mom?
Mom is doing some important work.
Will you hand over the phone to her? I have some important work with her.
I told you, right? She is doing an important work. The thing is that I have been told to do a project at school. It cannot be done without mom's help.
Okay. But hand over the phone to mom. I really have some important work with her.
But how will I do that? She is doing the project. If it's not completed today, then I will be punished.
Pari, and if I don't speak with her today, then even I'll get punished.
Is your discussion important on my project?
Look, your project is important, but even it's important for me to speak with her.
Alright, then tell me what's the important work?
That I cannot tell you that, dear.
You cannot tell me? So it means your work is not important.
How do I tell her that I want to tell about Paranjpai? All right, dear. I'll talk after some time, okay?
Don't call today, friend. She is very busy with my project today.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, dear.
Come on, Pari. Let's start with your project.
Yay! Yay!
Tell me really, what do you want to do?
I have to prepare the design for it. Shall I show you?
Show me.
Wait. Look at this.
What is this? Wow, Derek Palace?
Yes, palace will come to me, right? So I made the palace design.
You made a nice palace.
Mom, this is just on paper. It will be so nice if we will have a palace like that.
Come, dear. Let all your wish get completed, Pari. Let your palace come to you for sure. But to be frank, dear, right now your mother cannot even imagine to pay the rent of our current house. Whatever my dear says, it always turns true. So you will surely get a palace.
Yay!
Come, shall we start now?
Yes. Mom, this cardboard paper, look here. We have to cut this cardboard paper like this.
Okay, dear.
Mom, there will be a fountain at the palace too.
Yes, dear. There will be. There will be a fountain at the entrance so that everyone can see.
Mom, will we both have separate rooms?
Now you're a big girl, right? So you will have a separate room.
But I will sleep with only you.
Okay.
Mom, will I get a reward for the project?
Will you get first position?
Surely?
Yes, dear.
Yay! Mom, shall we paint the palace in pink?
Pari, dear, now stop speaking and let me do this in peace. I'm already very sleepy.
Mom, don't sleep. We need to finish this project.
Yes, dear, I know it. That's why I'm saying to let me do my work.
How to do this door?
I'm doing that only.
Mom, I feel sleepy.
Okay, dear. You sleep.
Then the project?
I will complete it. Come, dear. I promised you, right? That I will complete your project by tomorrow morning. Sleep. The glue is finished. Now where will I find it so late at night? All the shops will also be closed. Aunt and uncle will also be asleep. I also feel very sleepy. I will get up tomorrow morning and do the project. I will bring the glue before going to office tomorrow and complete the project. I'm very sleepy. Pari dear, let's sleep now.
Pigeon, Ojas! Pigeon! Pigeon! Pigeon!
Dear, come on, time for your injection. Come.
Mom, wait, there is a
Okay,
pigeon.
come here. Come and sit here. My child is very obedient, right?
Mom, why do you cry? You cry for no reason. This injection doesn't hurt at all. Alright, okay? Now give us good smile and go to the office.
Okay, let's go.
Mom, what is this?
What happened? What happened, dear?
What is this? Yesterday night the project didn't finish or what?
Dear, the glue finished yesterday night and this paper is a little thin. We will bring a little thick paper first and then at night I will complete and give you today. Huh?
But mom, today I have to show this project at school.
I said that I will do it once I come tonight, right? Come, I'm getting late now.
Mom, my teacher shouts at me.
They won't. If she shouts, then I will tell her to give you one more day. I will call her.
Really? Will you call her?
Yes, dear, I will surely call her. Then your number will be first, right? Come, I'll gather everything now. Come on, Pari, come on. Yash had called me, right? Hello, Yash. I'm leaving home now. I will get a little late. But I will surely meet you and talk with you. Okay, bye. See you. Come, Pari, I'm getting late. Come on, dear, we will do that later. I'll do it when I come tonight, okay? Take this. Come.
Hi.
Congratulations!
For what?
You have been promoted, right?
I've been promoted. No, nothing like that's happened.
No, right? Then why are you sitting on the seat and getting the feel? No, you have to keep your job safe, right? Then why are you sitting on this chair?
Sorry. I sat waiting for Sameer, sir, actually. So,
No, don't say sorry to me. Once I get married to Sameer sir, then I'm definitely going to get the same chair as well as this cabin for you, okay? So you can sit here till then. Yash, what is it? Do you have any problem?
no. Nothing.
Okay, but tell me if you have anything like that, okay? No, now you helped me once, so if you have any problem, then you can always tell me, okay?
Yes, sure. Actually, I'm feeling a little low, so I'm quiet. I'll be fine, don't worry.
Okay. This is Sameer sir's file. Yes, please give it to him. Take care. Bye.
Sorry, Yash. Really sorry. I was going to call you, but I got stuck with Pari's project. Still, it did not get completed. They give such big project to small kids. But it's fine. At least the parents can spend some time with the kids due to that. Hey, why are you making that sound?
Just like that.
I'm only speaking. You wanted to say something, right? Speak.
I mean, Neha,
Tell me you wanted to say something, right?
you have some time, right? You're not in a hurry, right?
You are asking just like that, right?
No, I'm asking genuinely.
Tell me fast.
Neha, the thing is that.
Yes, Pari, tell me.
Hello, Mom. Did you call my teacher today?
Oh, yes. I will do it. I will do it fast.
Promise?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Look, I forgot to call Pari's teacher. One moment, okay? It's engaged. What do you want to say?
Yeah. Neha, actually. You gotta call again.
It's not mine, but yours.
Oh, sorry. Sameer.
Sameer?
It's Sameer sir's call.
Receive it then.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
You have 10 more hours left, my friend.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Yes, tell me.
Hello, friend.
Oh, friend. Yes, tell me. What is it?
Hello, friend. Are you giving Mom too much work? She comes very late and looks very tired too after coming.
Is it?
Yes. My project also did not get completed yesterday. You help her. Or else my project will not get finished. My school teacher will scold me if my project is not finished.
All right, I'll help Mom so that her work ends fast. Okay?
Promise?
Promise. Shall I hang up now?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It was Pari, right?
Yeah.
Again, a false promise. You are spoiling her, Yash.
Look, Neha, actually,
Neha, you're standing here and I've looked for you everywhere.
All right, I'll leave.
All right then. We also have to prepare some reports today, so just come.
Let's meet for lunch. Bye.